my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Lian from Resin Creations. I hope you are all doing well. Today is a special video because I got sent to try out this beautiful craft resin. And I am really excited that people from Craft Resin found me and appreciate my artwork and decided to give me some free resin to try out and see if I like it. So here is the package, and they have gloves there, a hardener and the resin, and also their famous stirring stick, and also a little book with all the information about this resin in different languages. I have heard only good things about this resin, so I am really excited to try out. I also received a link that I will add in description that if you would like to buy craft resin with this link, you get 10% off. And also I'll get a small commission from this purchase. So I would be really grateful if somebody would use this link and buy this amazing resin. So it is 1:1 ratio that I'm pouring now. I always use scales because then I trust the numbers that I poured even amount. And yeah, we need to mix it for 3 minutes. It's pretty much standard with all the resins, and it cures in 24 hours, and it says that has little or no bubbles. So we'll see about that, because bubbles in resin are very important. The less you have, the better piece of art you will have. So I mixed my resin, and now I am dividing it into cups to add pigments. And for today's project I decided to make coaster sets. And I was very curious to see the movement in resin while it's curing, if it has a lot of it, because lately I have been struggling with this. I'm looking for resin that can have a great movement and move the colors basically till the center, and I don't have to interfere with that. So here I am mixing my greens. I decided to go with greens. I have had this combination before and I absolutely love it. So I had also something to compare with to start with, and yeah, this kit has 1 liter in total, so 500 milliliters of part A and 500 milliliters of part B. So I can make 2 sets of coasters from this package. So in near future we'll be having another video with this craft resin where I will be using different technique. Probably I haven't thought about it yet, but Yes, of course, I will use it because it's really nice resin and it's nice to work with, and I am really happy to be trying it out. So I just started with a dark circle around the edges, and now I'm adding transparent in the middle. I'll put a little music in a background and let you enjoy the pouring process, and we'll come back to you shortly. And here is fast forward 20 minutes of curing, where the magic happens. And after that, I left it to cure for 24 hours. And it is the next day, and it's time to demold these beauties and have a look how they're gonna look from the other side. So, and ta-da! Beautiful results. I am happy with the colors. I'm happy how they look. The next one. And they look so clear in the middle. I'm really liking this resin. This is the third one. And I must say, I'm looking on the edges and I see very little bubble cavities. So that makes me very happy, because the one thing that I hate is to have holes on the edges. And this is the fourth one. And yeah, I like them a lot, so I'm gonna go off, finish them with the gold edges and add the top coats. And here they are, all finished, and I absolutely love them. and I enjoyed working with this resin. I definitely recommend it. And I still have a little bit of left for another experiment. So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!